Hey everybody, this week I want to share something that actually happened to me in the last couple days in traffic. And so I wanted to share it with you. I also want you to see what you can do and how to prevent doing silly things like this to avoid accidents. So in this particular case, this is me, I'm sitting here. And there's a line of traffic that's basically stopped. This woman eases out. Now, she eases out on her own because there was space between me and the car in front of me. But what she's done is she's moved herself into this position where she can't see past this car. And she doesn't know that, now she's physically, if you'll notice, she physically stopped with part of her car, and actually this wasn't a turn lane, this was just 2 lanes of traffic. She physically stopped with the front end of her car in here. Now, I could see traffic coming, and I was almost confident I was about to be part of an accident, because if this car would have hit her, they drive her into me, and I'm just a poor innocent son of a gun sitting there minding my own business. I also have no way of communicating with her because she's trying to see and not looking at me, and I could tell her that cars were coming. My first point, don't be a chucklehead and do this. You've just put yourself in a position where you're screwed. You can't see traffic coming at you, and your car's in the other lane. Now, at some point, if somebody gives you an opening like this, what you want to do is you want to stay back here where you can see cars. And at a bare minimum, what you want to start doing is counting cars. Now, I'm not suggesting that this is still a good idea. This is still a bad idea. But it's a lot better than putting yourself in here where you can see nothing. Stay back here and count cars. And once you see that the last car you've got is a red car, let this car go by, let your red car go by, and then it's safe to pull out. But normally, and this is what gets people into trouble, and this is why people have such silly and often severe accidents. This lady was itching to go someplace, and it looked like the hospital initially because that's what she had done. She put herself where she could not see these cars coming, yet her nose of her car was physically out there. And literally, just like this model, we were just about that close. If she'd have got whacked, they'd have got me for sure too. So in the future, stay back. Here's the big secret. Don't be in such a big hurry. Everybody that gets into an accident, 9 times out of 10, they're in a big hurry to get someplace. Let traffic go by. You've got all day to get there. You don't have all day to get there if they send you to the hospital in an ambulance. You're going to be way late. Be safe. Don't do silly stuff, and don't be the chucklehead. See ya.